Hi you guys! Happy New Year! I know this is New Year's Eve and I'm so happy that I am able to film these videos for you all. So before we get into 2018, there is something that is missing, and of course I have to get you guys all glammed up. Okay, so let's get started right here. Okay you guys, so to start, I am using the Shape Tape from Tarte concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spot everything that need to be covered, and I'm just gonna blend it out with the heat of my finger. Blend, 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 blend. And I'm also gonna take the same concealer and run that underneath my eye. Lately, I have not have enough sleep, so it's yeah, those bad needs to go away. Again, we need to blend all that out under my nose. That's dangerous. And under my chin, I don't know, the size of my nose and my chin usually just gets so red, you know what I mean? I think that's everybody, but apparently just keep blending, just keep blending. And then so this is new, but recently I've realized that I am in Florida, and every time I use the same routine that I used before, it would not work because, you know, we're in the heat now. So instead of, you know, doing all that powder and all that stuff, I'm just using my sponge, and then I'm dabbing into my It Cosmetic and Tan, which is 2 shades darker than I am right now, and I'm using that to contour and set any concealer that it's around on my cheek. And later on, I'm just gonna set all of my concealer around my eyes with another powder. And right now, I'm actually setting with a powder and then contour at the same time, so it knocks out all of that all at once. And then I'm taking the other tape size of that sponge, and I'm dipping into dip into Tan by It Cosmetic again, and I'm using the same powder to contour my nose. Other side of our nose, and then you want to focus on the very tip of your nose. I found that really helpful when it comes to when you take a flash picture. It really helps with like the bridge of your nose, like really, you know, like it's there. So next, we're gonna take Pour Bye Bye by It Cosmetic again. This is a sample that I got from them, and I really liked it. I will, however, replace it when it's over, but I'm just gonna dab a brush, a tape brush, and then I'm just dabbing out the excess. And then again, like I said, I am setting my concealer under eye, and I'm just rolling this brush all around. So not at the same time we're setting the concealer, and then I'm also packing in the powder foundation to get ready for our eyeshadows. And then I'm touching up everything else in my forehead, my chin, yada yada. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm just taking now with the NYX, I think this is just a dark brown pencil, eyebrows pencils, and then I'm just filling in all the space and gaps in the very head of my eyebrows. And then I'm trying to do a round eyebrows now. I usually do a square, but I found out that a round eyebrows just makes you look younger, and it gives it a youthful look. And then with my Benefit Brow, I am going in and filling in the end of my brows with a darker shade of color. It is Brow in number 5, so it's just like a dark brown compared to the NYX eyebrows pencil that I've used before. We're just doing a 2 different shade. I just think it looks more natural than just one dark color all around the eyebrows. And same thing with the other sides. I like to focus in dragging out the end of my brows because I don't have that much of a tail, so I like to focus darker shade on the tail of my brows. It really frames your eyes when you have dark eyeshadows on. Then to put everything in place and make sure all the hair doesn't, you know, like everything is nice and groomed, I'm taking this Benefit eyebrows brush and run this over. A lot of time it blends two shadows together because it has like a very light shade of brown. So I like to use this when I am applying dark eyeshadows because this all goes hand in hand together into the preparation of dark eyeshadows makeup. Next, I am blending this color called Topaz, and this is from Kylie Cosmetic. I'm not trying to promote her lines or anything. I bought her bronze eyeshadow palettes and I really liked it. It's every color there is that I ever use. I'm a matte bronzy taupey girl. So yeah, there's really nothing to it, and I'm just blending this out, not touching my eyebrows. Then I'm going in with another shades, and I'm just using this to highlight in my brows bone. So to begin, I'm taking my blending brush, and you see where my lid is right there. I'm actually will be applying this shadow above my lid where it's supposed to be, above my my mole scarred. So compared to the other eye, you'll see where the color will actually be. This, so it will just, you know, it's a little cheat sheet that we're doing. It's just so that it'll waken your eye and like just makes it look a lot bigger. When the lashes and the liner goes in, it all goes together. A lot of time with Asian makeup, it's we do a lot of cheating because we don't have a lot of like eyelid to work with. So, you know, this is just something that you can keep in mind if you have the same eye shape as I am. So while you're doing this, keep in mind that you want to raise your eyebrows up. It gives you a lot more canvas to work with. So when you raise that eyebrows, there you go. You can kind of see that color a little bit better, and once you blend, you get that like color where you want it to be, and it's well blended instead of, you know, your lids get in the way. If you have my eye shape, it's just easier to do it this way. Next, I'm going in with another shade from the same palettes, and I'm just gonna blend this right on top of the color before, and I will have all this color on the side of the video so you can see what I'm talking about. And the key to this is blend really, really well. Do not leave any harsh line. With this next creamy color, I'm just gonna dab it in with a synthetic thick brush, and I'm just gonna dab that in right in the inner corner of my eye and just kind of leave it there. You don't have to blend it. And with this smudger taupey brush, I'm taking a black shadow color, and then again, you want to raise the eyebrows up to give us a lot of canvas to work with, and then you're just gonna draw like a outer V in the outer corner of your eyes while you kind of like blend that in as you go. But not to worry, not to be perfect. We will go into another brush like this one, and then we'll blend all of that out. And then with this process, you can reapply up to like 2-3 times, however dark you want it to be. Yeah, and just make sure that everything is well blended together. And then I kind of film everything, but then my camera did not record it. So then right here, I'm explaining to you that I use the Andrea number 91 for my lashes, and I did my eyeliner and so forth. And that's the finished look. And then with the way I apply my fall lashes is I kind of cheat, and because the way my eye shapes is kind of like a mountain slope. It's from the center to the end of my lashes is like a mountain slope. So when I applied it, there's a little gap just because I did not follow through with the end of the outer corner of my eye. Just because, you know, I wanted to wind up a little bit, so I'm filling in that gap with a black eyeliner. And then with this gold from Lisa Frank, I'm using this gold to apply in my inner corner, and then that shimmer shadow that you see on top of my lid right there is from Fenty Beauty called Sunburst. And on the lower on my lashes, I smudge it out with black liner, and then everything that I use on my top lid, I kind of blend that out nicely with the bottom of my lashes and just apply some coats of mascara. I use It Cosmetics. Okay guys, last and not least, I have this lipstick, liquid lipstick by Yves Saint Laurent, and or some people say Yves Saint Laurent, but I'm just gonna apply this on my lips. And then for the gloss, I use Mother Pluckers. And that's it, you guys. This is my makeup for the new year. This is what I will be wearing. Natural, not on top, a little bit of glitter. Have a happy new year. If you guys like this video, subscribe and thumbs up for more videos from me. And that's it for today. I hope you guys have a happy new year. Again, be safe, kiss your loved one for me, say hi to your family for me, and kiss your pet. And subscribe below to see that picture of me and Pumpkin. Yep, subscribe. Bye.